left, we didn't have breakfast. Now we are going to have our breakfast and see how to go to Sonmarg from here. Okay then, see you on the way. This is where we are having our breakfast and I'll show you what all they have.
कश्मीरी रोटी है,
Okay.
ये कश्मीरी बंद है, ये
हाँ.
समोसा है, ये ब्रेड है,
Okay.
ये मच्छी है,
हाँ.
ये बिस्किट है, ये कोकोनट है, ये केक है.
This is the inside of our bus. We are sitting in the bus right now, and most of the people here told us to go to Sonmarg, you have to take a taxi or either a shared taxi. But today morning, this auto rickshaw driver said to us, we can go in a bus. And then we came to the bus stand to see if we can get one. Then we got this bus, and it only costs around 95 rupees to Sonmarg, whereas the taxi would have cost us 3,500 rupees. So we saved a lot of money in this bus trip. It's pretty comfortable, overall a very good experience for me. This is our breakfast and lunch. So we have reached Sonmarg right now. In between, the bus stopped somewhere, and then we didn't even find any way to get to Sonmarg. So apparently there is no auto rickshaws or anything here, and we have to either find a taxi which is shared or go independently, which should cost more. Because we didn't find anywhere, we had to take an independent taxi, and finally we have reached here, and it's snowy and it's so beautiful. I'll show you around. To buy some gloves and maybe shoes as well from the store. It's pretty cheap here. So we are hotel hunting right now. And welcome to day 2 in Sonmarg. So we have just woke up and we're gonna have our breakfast, then go for some sightseeing. It's really cold here, but I'll show you the place around. We have come to this dhaba to have our lunch. It's pure veg. Actually, I'm happy it's pure veg. I'm tired of eating chicken and mutton. So we have ordered like paneer butter masala and roti, and yes, this tea too. So we have started trekking from the bottom of this mountain, and now I'm pretty sure for 2 to 3 kilometers we have been walking. The sledge people have been forcing us to get on the sledge, but we wanted to walk, and it's actually really tiring. I don't think I would recommend anyone to walk, but I wanted to give it a shot. I rented this boots for 100 rupees because mine was just a shoe and snow would get in. Anyhow, it's definitely worth all the effort that I put in. Look guys, we are in Snowland. I love snow so much that every year I come and visit the snow. And I have to say Kashmir is definitely one of the very low budget place where you can come. Have the same feeling as going to somewhere in Europe. This is a very beautiful location. plant that is half frozen. So we have finally ended our trekking successfully, and I'm pretty sure we have trekked for around 3 to 4 hours. This would be the end of my Sonmarg vlog. Overall, I had a very good experience. I've been to so many countries where there is snow, but this is my first time trekking and really experiencing everything by walk. I definitely recommend Sonmarg to everyone, and now we are going to stop the vlog.